Hey guys, happy Monday. I hope you had a great Easter. Today is April 13th, and I just wanted to kind of run through what you can expect for Spanish 1 this week. Um, we are going to continue talking about edificios, the buildings, lugares, the places, ser, estar, all the things we've been doing for a while. But we're going to add in there the regular present tense verbs. So if you remember, if you think of the front of the classroom, I'm talking about the blue chart that was kind of to the left um, of the TV, the o, as, a, amos, on, okay? There will be a video on Moodle of me re-explaining all of this for you, okay? So I'll show you where to go in just a second for that. Basically, a few things I wanted to remind you of tomorrow during our live class. So for 4th hour, that is 10:30, and for 7th hour, that's noon. You're gonna have a quiz on the edificios, the buildings, okay? We're gonna do that live. I'm going to, for numbers 1 through 4, I'm gonna speak Spanish and you have to write the English. And then 5 through 8, I'll speak English and you have to write the Spanish. And it's going to be just kind of a trust that you have learned them and are writing them down as we go. Basically, then what you will do is one of two things. You can either be typing them up on Word and send them to me, or I don't know if you can just take a picture of what you have written down during the quiz and attach that to an assignment that I'll post later in Teams, which I have to do. I don't know. You guys will be my guinea pigs on that. So hopefully that will go quickly. But with the quiz, if you're on live, which I would like you all to really try to be on live, unless you have some sort of like work excuse, is to send your responses like almost instantly, okay? If you are not able to be on live on Tuesday, if you would send me an email, that would be great, just so that because it is a quiz, I'm just gonna expect you all be there, I guess. If you have an issue, just send me an email. I said that already. Okay, so a few things I want to walk you through for next week. I'm going to share my screen here so that you can see where to find things. Oh, that's lovely. Come on. Okay, first thing is Moodle. Okay, in Moodle, there will be under Unit 4, okay, you see where it says Unida Unit 4 Vocabulario. Underneath that, it's not here because I haven't done it yet. It's Friday for me, it's Monday for you. But you will see a tab underneath the vocab that will say something about regular present tense review video or something like that. But I'm going to put a video of me reteaching you the regular present tense verbs. So look for that on Moodle, okay? Then if we hop over to Teams, these will all be open on Monday. They're not open right now, but you will see them down here in the assigned. The first thing is this negocios real, okay? Negocios is a business, okay? What I want you to do is look up a real business, and this is the sheet you'll be filling out. Look up a real business. So pick a country, say Guatemala or Venezuela or wherever, Spain, Mexico, whatever. And I want you just to type in restaurant in Mexico or bank in Spain or museum in Honduras or whatever. You're going to put the business name here, okay? And then you're going to put the city and the country right here, all right? So negocio is business, ciudad is city, país is country. So if we had El Banco de Mexico, and that's in Veracruz, Mexico. It's the Bank of Mexico. Then you're going to give the address. Addresses in other countries are much different than they are here in the US. So it's kind of an interesting thing to look at. And the telephone number or the website. La red is the internet, so the web address, basically, okay? Then I want you to write down some facts, some interesting facts. So you're looking up this business, you're looking at their website, okay? What is interesting about that? What do you notice? Maybe the actual building looks different than a bank that you would see here in the US, or maybe the restaurant in Mexico is completely outside. They have no walls, no actual building site. Okay, so just write down some interesting things that you see on the website. Then how is it similar to the United States and how is it different from the United States? So how is a bank in Paraguay the same as the US and how is a bank in Paraguay different? and then a photo. If you're able to copy and paste a photo onto here, just so I can see what you're looking at, okay? So again, negocio is a building, or is a business. Ciudad is the city, país is the country, okay? Estados Unidos is the US. So you're just looking up a real live business in a country where they speak Spanish. You may have to Google some of the things, and for this kind of situation, that's totally fine. You might look up bank in Mexico and the whole website is in Spanish. Google it, okay? But I just want you to take a look at a real business in another country. Okay, so that's one assignment that you're gonna work on. The other is, back up here, ser versus a star versus regular verb, okay? And this is a forms kind of a thing. So this may say it's a quiz. I had to create it as a quiz, but it's not a quiz. Use your notes, use your vocab, but make sure that you've watched the Moodle video first. So watch the video from Monday. That's the explanation where I re-explain what you are to do with conjugating a regular tense verb, okay? And that's in Moodle. Let me just check my notes. Study for quiz, regular tense, negocio. Okay, the last thing, did I not put that on there? I created a Kahoot, okay? And maybe because it'll be, where did I put that link? Let me just go back and look here. Sorry, guys. But there's a way that we can create Kahoots so that you guys can play at home, okay? And the way that it sounds, I'm just gonna see if I put it in 7th hour. I don't know where that went. It should be a link in the assignments. There it is. It's in 7th hour, so I will put it in the other class as well. Like it says, I've never tried this before, so hopefully it works. Anytime this week, I want you to click on the link down here, Sarah versus a Star Kahoot, and play the game. I don't know if you need the game code, but it's listed here in the instructions. Use your own name so that I can track who's played, and then reply to this with your score. So we got an email that because we're distance learning, Kahoot has kind of opened up this brand new thing where instead of playing live in class, the game stays open for a week. And I think it's like you're playing each other, but maybe Miguel is playing on Tuesday and Luis is playing on Wednesday and Caramela is playing on Thursday, okay? But it still, I think, shows kind of the rankings of it. I don't know. We're gonna give it a whirl. But sometime this week, if you would do the Kahoot and reply with your score, use your real name though. Spanish name is fine, just so that I know who is doing what. So, okay, so Quiz Tuesday. That was a lot, sorry. Quiz Tuesday, watch the regular present tense verb video from Moodle. Okay, that's the only thing on Moodle. Then there's Teams Kahoot, Teams real business assignment, and Teams regular verb versus Sarah versus a star assignment on Teams, okay? Yeah, so to respond to this as an assignment, I want you to send me 2 sentences using, I was gonna do this different. I was gonna give you a listening assignment, so we're just gonna do that right now. Okay, so I want you to translate this into English, okay? Let's say, translate, la piscina es azul. La piscina es azul is number 1. We're just going to do a quick listening assignment. Okay, la piscina es azul. La piscina es azul. Number 2, yo estoy en el centro comercial. Yo estoy en el centro comercial. Yo estoy en el centro comercial. And let's say, somos del campo. Somos del campo is number 3. Somos del campo. Somos del campo. So again, 1, la piscina es azul. 2, yo estoy en el centro comercial. And somos del campo is number 3. Okay, so reply to this video. This is your assignment for today with those 3. I'll see 4th hour tomorrow at 10:30. And I will see 7th hour tomorrow at noon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.